Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping motorhomes you've probably ever seen. This futuristic double-decker motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury mansion on wheels designed to turn heads and redefine what it means to travel in style. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into the design, features, and lifestyle that this incredible machine offers. First things first, let's talk about the design. The exterior of this motorhome is nothing short of stunning. Its aerodynamic curves and smooth futuristic lines make it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Painted in a bold, glossy blue, it immediately stands out from the crowd. The dual-deck structure gives it a powerful presence, while the six-wheel design ensures both stability and performance. When you see it parked, you don't just see a motorhome, you see a statement of modern engineering and luxury lifestyle combined. Now, let's step inside and explore what makes this motorhome truly extraordinary. The moment you walk through the entryway, you're greeted with a spacious, modern interior that rivals some of the finest apartments in major cities. The lower deck typically houses the main living area, complete with plush sofas, a widescreen entertainment system, and elegant ambient lighting. The designers of this motorhome clearly paid attention to detail, creating a space that feels cozy yet futuristic. One of the standout features is the kitchen. Forget the cramped kitchens you may have seen in regular RVs. This motorhome features a full-size, fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, sleek countertops, and plenty of storage. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or cooking a gourmet meal, this kitchen can handle it all. Imagine preparing dinner while enjoying panoramic views through the oversized windows. It's a cooking experience unlike any other. Moving further in, the bathroom is a true spa-like retreat. With a rainfall shower, luxurious fixtures, and even mood lighting, it's designed to provide ultimate comfort while you're on the road. This isn't just about function, it's about luxury and relaxation. Now, let's head upstairs to the second deck. This is where things get even more exciting. The upper level is designed as a private retreat, often featuring a spacious master bedroom with a king-size bed, floor-to-ceiling windows, and even a lounge area. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over the mountains or falling asleep to the sound of the ocean waves, all while wrapped in the comfort of a high-tech, futuristic motorhome.
Another major highlight of this motorhome is its technology. From smart climate control systems to voice-activated lighting and entertainment, it integrates the latest innovations to make your journey smooth and comfortable. Some models even come with solar panels and advanced battery systems, making it ideal for off-grid living. This is not just about traveling, it's about sustainable and independent luxury. For families or groups, the double-decker design means there's plenty of room for everyone. Extra bedrooms, additional lounge spaces, and even work areas can be customized into the layout. This motorhome is not just built for travel, it's built for living, whether it's a weekend getaway or a months-long road adventure. Let's also talk about performance, because a motorhome like this isn't just about looks and comfort. With a powerful engine under the hood, it's designed to handle long-distance travel and different terrains with ease. Advanced suspension and safety features ensure that even such a massive vehicle feels smooth and stable on the road. And of course, when it comes to storage, this motorhome has thought of everything. Ample compartments for luggage, adventure gear, and even outdoor equipment ensure that you don't have to compromise on what you bring along. Now, let's talk about who this motorhome is really for. It's perfect for luxury travelers who don't just want to see the world, but want to experience it without giving up the comforts of home. It's for digital nomads who want a fully functional workspace on the move. It's for families who crave adventure but want safety and comfort for their loved ones.
And most importantly, it's for anyone who believes that travel should be about freedom, comfort, and style all at once. To sum it up, this futuristic double-decker motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's a perfect blend of design, technology, and comfort that takes road travel to a whole new level. Whether you're exploring national parks, cruising along coastal highways, or parking in the heart of a bustling city, this motorhome ensures that you always arrive in style. So what do you think about this incredible machine? Could you see yourself traveling the world in one of these? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing motorhome reviews and futuristic travel inspirations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring in style.